Hey guys, so I'm making this video. Basically, just wanted to say hi to my online international friends, and we've been talking for a while online on X, but I've never really had a chance to say hi to you, not in person, but by saying that using my voice and not just typing. So basically that's the purpose of my video today. And this is very awkward to me, honestly, because I haven't prepared a script or anything, and it's basically impromptu. So I'll try my best to sound natural, and because I think making videos from now on will become a part of my career, because as you guys may have known about me a little bit, I'm an English teacher now, and I'm teaching at a university in Hanoi, Vietnam, but I'm gonna quit that job soon because I want to start my own career in English teaching and English education, because I believe that I can do more, and I want to pursue my own way of teaching. I wanna shout out to my ex-friends, online friends on X, my Alexandra, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name right. It's the Paradox of Freedom, I believe, and my online son, my very loving and adorable son, Lex Richard, Lex Friedman Stroud. I love you so much, and you guys are incredible. You guys are so fun and so knowledgeable as well. So from the bottom of my heart, I'm really grateful for my incredible and funny and loving online friends. I don't have any script with me right now. Although I'm looking at the screen, I'm not reading off anything. I don't have a prepared document, so I just improvise, and I hope that it's good enough. I think having a projector with a teleprompter will be beneficial as well, but as an online creator, I think it's important to have the ability to speak off the cuff and to improvise and to just speak naturally from your understanding and your knowledge without any preparation. And I hope that this makes sense.